Hi, I'm Mishi from Mishiworld, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fun and easy scarf. You'll need a circle loom and a few tools that come with them. So I got this circle loom that comes with these tools from Michael's, and then the other thing you'll need is some yarn. You can get the yarn from Walmart or any other grocery store. This tool comes at the end. So at first you just need this one, the circle loom, and the yarn. First, pull out a piece of string, wrap it around two of your fingers, and make a loose knot. Just like that. Don't make it tight. Now, find the circle on your loom and then put your loose knot on top of that. Pull gently and then put your string where I'm showing you and then wrap it around. Keep doing that. Keep unwrapping. Start from where I'm showing you, and then keep unwrapping till you reach the end, and then you have to keep doing that, and then more will come next. What helps me is putting the circle loom in my lap and then wrapping it. And then whenever I need to, I just twist it to the other side of the loom. If you want, you can try this. It's a really good way to do it easily. But you're supposed to have fun with it. Once you end up to the end peg, wrap some string all over again, just like you have done, and then on each peg you should have 2 circle pieces of string. Then I will tell you what is next. Once you get on the end peg, don't wrap it around the 3rd time. After you get on the end peg, then you have to use one of the tools, but I will show you that piece. Now all you're supposed to do now is take this tool, pick up the bottom piece of string, put it over the top piece of string that I will show you. Just like that. At first, the last one is a little tight. Get the last one and do the last one first so the other stuff doesn't unwrap, and then keep doing all of the pegs just like I showed you, and then you will soon end up on the second last peg if you move to the first peg. Once you put the bottom string over the top string of the pegs, then you just push that string all the way down. I would rather put the string down with my fingers. If that's more easy for you, you can do that. And then then you have to keep wrapping it with the string, and then keep doing this, and then it will get longer and longer. If you do it 4 times around the whole loom, you'll get at least an inch. While you're doing this, you might want to change the string just for fun. So all you need is a piece, some string, and some scissors. Get your loom. Now all you need to do is cut the string you're using right now. Cut it from a distance. Don't cut it so close. Once you cut it from a distance, all you need to do. Now, once you have the end or the start of the other string you're going to use, tie them together. Don't make the knot so obvious. There's a special way to hide the knot that I will show you shortly when my loom gets a little longer. Shh. Then start looming as if you did not do anything with the string. The knot will come on one of your pegs, but then it won't look bad once you get it off. I'm showing you where it's gonna end up on my peg. So as you can see that the knot ended up on that peg. And then once your other string is not attached to your circle loom, you can just put it away wherever you want.